recall the classes that you have missed the yesterday class. Have you got the time to revise the yesterday class by listening yesterday's videos? So yesterday yesterday we have discussed the Google Adword. So have you heard about Google Adword? Okay. You didn't get time to revise yesterday class. It's okay. No worries. So okay. So what? Uh, we are going to continue the yesterday sessions, that is Google Display Network. So will you be able to find, will you be able to cope up that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will revise yesterday class very briefly, and then we will continue with the today's class. Is it okay? So what I will do, I will very briefly revise the yesterday class, and then we will continue with the today's class. That is, we are going to cover admin. Okay, fine, fine. So till now, from the last session, do you have any question? From last session, if you have any question, you can ask the question. Okay, if you do not have any questions. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Have you tried to practice your SEO, search engine optimization? I hope yesterday in the last session I have revised SEO for you and website creation for you. So have you worked on? Have you done any kind of practices on that? SEO on page, off page. Have you get time to done any kind of practice in the last session, from the last session? Okay, you are already working on page SEO. Fantastic, nice, so nice. So so nice. Today we are going to start Adword. Have you ever done Adword before? Any idea if you have done Adword before? If you have listened about Adword, or you know a little bit of. Okay, we are gradually saying we try to find backlinks for our competitors. Very nice, very nice. So you have now fair understanding about on-page SEO and off-page SEO, and you are also doing the practices on backlink. So fair enough, very good. Have you heard about Adword earlier? Have you heard about what Adword earlier? Or this is the first time you are listening about Adword? Yeah, exactly. It's related to PPC. Okay, so now understand, like we are going to discuss the PPC, and very briefly I'm going to revise the yesterday sessions. So listen carefully and then we will move to the next sessions. Yesterday we have discussed about PPC. And now I got that. If you are saying it's related to PPC, means you have a you have just heard about something. So I'm going to cover it from the very basics. No worries about that. You will understand it well. So first, let's understand the importance of, like, we are going to start a new topic. That topic you can term as online advertisement. Online advertisement means where you are going to pay for the position, or you are going to pay for the preferential positions, or you are going to pay for the presence. So in SEO you have tried that your website should be good enough, and Google should pick your website and show in the result. So that was the SEO. You are not supposed to pay anything to the Google. In SEO we have discussed about that you are not going to pay anything to any platform. So it's like backlink effort or content effort. This is the indirect cost included in the SEO, but directly you are not paying to any platform. So paid advertisement is the method where you are directly paying to the advertisers, right? So when you are paying to the advertisers, let's suppose you are using Google, and you are searching for keywords. So what is the best search term? Can you suggest me any search term which I take an example for show you advertisement? Can you suggest me some search term which I would like to take an example to show you ads? Okay, no worries. So let's suppose you are searching for cheap air ticket, cheap air ticket from Delhi to Kochi, Cochin, right? Okay, so you are suggesting Bangalore constructions. Very nice, very nice. So I'm going to take the example of Bangalore constructions as well. Uh, okay, so let's suppose right now we have selected the keywords cheap air ticket from Delhi to Cochin, and whatever the related search term, that is called Google Instant. This feature of Google is called Google Instant. When you are searching something and Google is suggesting you something. Okay, sure. I will take the example of real estate. No worries. So I will take the example of real estate. Real estate in which locations your real estate is related to pan India or a particular location. You can suggest me some location specifications regarding the searches. You are promoting real estate businesses in which location? So real estate in Pune or Bangalore construction in Pune. So let's take the example of Bangalore construction in Pune, right? So you can see that Bangalore construction, either the keyword is not very not very business oriented. So you can see there is no advertisers. There is no advertisers. You may see some advertisers who might be doing advertisement in Pune, right? So here we can see that in Noida I cannot see any advertisement. So let's suppose I am looking for uh, 2 BHK flat. Let's suppose I'm looking for cost of 2 BHK flat in Pune, right? Buy 2 BHK flat in Pune, right? So now you can see that this keyword has lot of search, lot of advertisement. So wherever it is ad, this is the advertisement. And if you want your website advertisement should appear here, if you uh, if you want your website to appear here, then you have to do the advertisement. You have to manage this using some platform. Prajwal, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm just coming back to you. Give me 1 second, right? So, hi Prajwal, I am back. It's all fine. I think you must be able to hear me, right? So it's all fine. I can continue with the session. Yes, nice. Thank you. So here we have like you can see this advertisement. The difference between these advertisement and this listing is that here you have to pay to the Google because your ad is appearing in the Google, so you have to pay to the Google. But for this particular result, whatever results is coming here as here you can see the result. You are not paying wherever it is ad. You are paying to the platform, you are paying to the Google. And if there is no ad, then it's organic result, that is the part of SEO. So the difference between this ad and organic is here you can show the preferential presence. You are going to the pay to the Google and you will get the first positions, and this is the instant result. Like you will set up your campaign right now, you will provide this title, URL description and site links and cost. You will set up your campaign right now, or your ad will start appearing immediately. That is the faster result. You need not to wait for that crawling, indexing and ranking. In SEO, you have to be dependent on Google, that Google will come to your website, crawl it, index it, make sure that your website is quality website. And there are so many factors is in the considerations. If you are fulfilling all those factors, then only your ad will appear in the SEO result. So that's why SEO is a time taking process, while Adword is very fast. You will set up your campaign, you will fulfill the basic requirement of the campaign, and your ad is ready to go. So if your company or if you are looking for immediate result, then you will go for the paid advertisement. So it's an instant result. First, the biggest difference, it's an instant result. Second biggest result, here you have to pay for every click. As someone will click on your advertisement, you are going to pay for the clicks. Here in this case, whatever number of clicks you will receive, you need not to pay any single penny to anyone. So effort required money, but you need not to pay to the Google to this result. But when you are managing this ad, for every single click you have to pay. That's why this kind of ad is also termed as PPC, pay per click, right? So if you, because you are seeing this advertisement in Google Adword, you may termed it as a Google PPC. If you can see the similar kind of ad on other website. Let's suppose there is a website digitalmarketingc.com, and here you can see that, can you see this ad? It's again ad by Google. It is ad by Google. So it is also example of ad. This ad by Google is also part of PPC. For every click you have to pay. So the payment arrangement may be different. Either you may be paying for the clicks, or you may be pay for the impressions, or you may pay for the views. Let's suppose your ad is appearing in the YouTube. You may have seen ad on the YouTube. Have you seen advertisement on the YouTube? If you can see the ad on YouTube, let's suppose you are opening this and you are seeing some ad. Not sure if ad will appear in this. Okay, there is no ad. Sometimes, have you ever noticed that this kind of ad is appearing? See, here the ad, this is ad in YouTube, right? So yes, so all these are advertisement. Even you can see the ad on the Facebook. So wherever you are paying to the platform, then it's a PPC, then it's a paid advertisement. And in paid advertisement, the terms of payment between the advertisers and the platform may be different. Like in case of PPC, you may pay for clicks. In case of Google search, you may pay for clicks. In display, this is called Google display. This particular ad is called display ad. Display ad means people are not searching for you. Here your ad will appear only and only when someone will search for you. Let's suppose I am searching for cheapest, like, or you are looking for best location in Pune to buy a flat, right? Best location for Pune to buy a flat, or something, buy flat in Pune. So here, when you will do these searches, then only your ad will appear. This is called search ad. If you will not do any searches, let's suppose I am not doing any searches, there is no ad at all. So that's why it is also termed as search advertisement. You are doing some searches, best price for a 2 BHK flat, best price for 2 BHK flat in Pune, lowest price for 2 BHK flat in Pune. So now you can, once you do these searches, then only your ad is appearing. This is called search ad. In this particular example, you are not doing any kind of searches. You are just visiting this website for any XYZ reason. You are reading the newspapers, or you are reading the blog sections, or you are doing any XYZ things, and that ad is appearing. This particular type of ad is called display ad. This particular type of ad is called the display ad. When you are seeing this video, when you are on the YouTube and you are seeing the videos, you may see, let's suppose I am looking for digital marketing class, digital, or let's suppose dinner recipes, and let's see some ad is appearing on other video ad. Let's see if any ad is appearing here. So can you see this kind of ad? You can see this is, you can skip, there is no ad, it's not the ad, in fact it's not the ad. So you can see this kind of ad. This is a video ad. So you may have search ad, you may have display ad, you may have video ad. One more kind of ad you can also see. Let's suppose you are buying any product. So is Google can show ad on all websites? Google can show ad on Google properties, and Google can show ad on Google partner. This is Google partner website. Wherever you can see the ad by Google, they are Google display partner, termed as GDN. This website have done partnership with the Google, and this website has given permission to the Google that whoever advertiser is advertising on Google search, they may also choose to do advertisement in display. So it's a Google display network. This is the Google display network. So Google can show ads only to their partner website. Is it fine? Right? So to do this partnership, you have to create Google AdSense account. If you want, let's suppose this is your website and you want Google to show their ad on your website, then you have to do partnership with the Google using Google AdSense. And if you are using Google AdSense and your website user will click on this ad, then Google will pay you for that click. So using Google AdSense, you can earn money. You can earn good amount of money if you are getting lot of clicks or lot of impressions for their users, from your users on the Google advertisement. So is it clear now? Where Google can show ad? Google can show ad only to the Google partner website. So this website is partner. If your website is not partnered with the Google, your ad will not show to will not appear on that website, right? So there is one more type of ad you might have noticed. Then when you do some product searches, let's suppose you are doing product searches of buy best mobile phone under 15,000. So now you can see this is the product ad. You can see this product ad as the sponsor. If you want to manage this kind of advertisement for the product, this kind of advertisement with the image ad in Google search, then this kind of ad is called Google shopping ad. This kind of ad is called Google shopping ad. So now you understand the type of ad. When you are searching for something and Google is showing you text ad, this is the image ad. These are the image ad. So this is Google search and you are looking for something. Let's suppose you are looking for best uh, best villa, cost of villa uh, by bungalow in Pune. If someone is looking for buy bungalow in Pune, so there is no ad are running right now. So when someone is looking for raw house project in Pune, let's see any ad. No. Pune villa project, no. You can't hear me, but here everything is all fine. Okay. So is there any issue from your end at your, can you check your internet? Here everything is going well. I can see the signal strength is all fine. Yes, everything is connected and I can see the. So is it correct now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Prajwal, can you hear me now? Prajwal, can you hear me now? Okay, now you can hear, right? Okay, so I'm just giving you a call from my number. If you will not able to hear me, you can just call me. I will try to fix it immediately. Yes. So I'm just saving your number. It's give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. So fine, I think you must be able to hear me, and I have given you a missed call. You can save this number, and if you will feel any problem, you can give me a message or a call that you are not able to hear me. Right? Just a sec. Prajwal, you can like on webinar, you are able to hear me all correct, right? Okay, nice, nice. So if you have any questions, you can just call me on the mobile as well. Okay, fine, nice, thank you. So let's go ahead with the stations. So this is the different kind of ad you have to see that we have seen ad by mobile phone under 15,000 or buy best mobile phone under 50. This is the shopping ad, this is the display ad, this is the YouTube ad, and this is the search ad. Search, let's suppose you are searching for best mobile phone. uh, so you can see, let's go back to the real estate example, buy flat in Pune, and you can see the advertisement here. So this is search ad, all these are search ad. So to manage all these ad, if you want to show your ad on Google properties or Google partner, then you have to use one platform. That platform is termed as Adword. You need a platform. That platform will be Adword. So you have to manage your ad on Adword. So we will come back and we will manage our ad on Adword. I'm just going to revise these slides, and then we will come back practically, and we will manage. We will create the ad campaign for your flat kind of thing, right? So so now you understand this. All these are example of paid advertisement. You can have paid advertisement on Google properties, Google Partner, YouTube's, and you can also manage paid advertisement on other websites and using other platform. Right now we are using Google. Then you have to manage these kind of ad using Google AdWord. You can manage this kind of ad using Google AdWord. So it's a Google ad, then Google AdWord. If you want to run such ad in Yahoo or Bing, if you are going to the Yahoo and then you want to see the ad, so you can go to the Yahoo and search for the same search term. It's also part of search. It is also part of it is also part of search engine. So let's suppose here in the Yahoo you are searching for buy flat in Pune. You are searching for buy flat in Pune. So this is also search advertisement. This is also search engine. Yahoo is also a search engine, and Yahoo is also giving you ads. So they are saying ad related to buy flats. So this is ad related to buy flats. So you can see the ad. They are AD ads. So whatever you are seeing under this ad, this is advertisement on Yahoo. So if you want to manage this kind of advertisement on Yahoo, you have to use the Yahoo and Bing have combined their platform, and you have to manage this ad on yeah, ad center, right? So do you have you created account? Do you want to create account on these platform? Do you have Gmail ID? Rajul, give me 1 minute, 8 minute. Hello, hello, yes, हाँ बिल्कुल 20,000. So all these are search engine, Yahoo, Google, Bing, all these are search engine. And if you are managing advertisement on the search engine, then it is example of search ad. If you are managing ad on Yahoo, you have to manage ad on ad center. If you are managing your ad on Bing, you have to manage your paid ad on Bing. When you are managing the advertisement on Google, then you have to manage all these advertisement on Adword. So in today's session, we are going to explore the Adword, and you will explore this advertisement on Yahoo and Bing yourself. It's very similar because Yahoo is the king, because Google is the king, Yahoo and Bing, they are just following Google. So we are going to explore the Adword. Before exploring the Adword, let's just resume the session of the PPTs first. And I'm just giving you the example how PPC has started. We have practically already seen it. So I'm just going to start. There was a time then every single businesses was very much optimistic about their presence on internet. So that was dot com, you can say the dot com scenario. Everyone was very much optimistic. They want to create a website, they want to sell the products. But when they have invested so much money and energy while for creating their presence on the internet, at that point of time, people at that point that customer was not ready to buy product and services from internet. Customer was not ready to pay online. Customer was not very much, they are not very much confident whether they should pay online or not. Customer was does not have their credit card and debit card ready or net banking ready to do the payment. So at that point of time, dot com got busted. Means they have created the presence, they have invested a lot of money to create that presence, but they are not able to get the return. So that was the dot com bust in 2002. It is the story of 2002. And even at that point of time, people were preferring to go to the malls and local shops, and they want to touch the product, they want to feel the product, and then only they want to buy the products. Now customer are more mature. Now more people have debit card options, credit card options, more people have net banking options. They are spending more time on internet, they are exploring lot of options on internet, they have lot of options to choose from. These e-commerce giants are giving them lot of discounts, and now Indian customers are experimenting the things to buy online. So that now this scenario has been changed, but in 2000 it was entirely different, that every company has invested huge amount on digital presence, but they haven't got any return because customer haven't paid. They have seen the ad, they have seen they have visited their website, but they haven't given them result. So at that point of time, Yahoo was used to run this kind of display advertisement. Display advertisement means doesn't matter what you are searching on Yahoo, whoever is ready to pay to the Yahoo will show their ad. So it was a kind of display ad. It was a kind of, there is no matchmaking between the ad and the audience. Means if in Google, what happened when you are searching for, let's suppose in Google, if you are searching for flat, if you are searching for flats in Pune, flats in Pune, then you will see all the results related to flats. If you are seeing buy flats in Pune, you will see all results related to flat. But at that point of time, Yahoo was not giving that importance to the users. They were displaying advertisement whoever is ready to pay good amount to the Yahoo. So that was a kind of display ad, but Yahoo has it's a Yahoo Overture was that a big example who is managing all these advertisement, and then the concept of pay per click appears. Means they have convinced the advertisers. They have convinced the advertisers कि okay, you need not to pay for the display. On the newspaper, you are even paying for the display, but on the digital medium, you need not to pay for the display. You will only pay when someone will click on your advertisement. So that was a very impressive deal for the advertisers, and advertiser have shown lot of interest to display in the display ad. So advertisers was very happy that I am not paying for the display. I am only paying when someone is clicking on my ad. If someone is clicking on your ad, it means that they have shown initial interest. They have shown little bit of interest in your product and services. They may buy your product and services. So that way PPC emerged. So PPC, that pay per click ad may appear on any platform. In fact, across the platform, your ad may appear on the Facebook and you are paying for the clicks. Then it is PPC. Your ad may be appearing on XYZ website and you are paying for the click. Then it is also PPC. If your ad is appearing on Google and you are paying for the clicks, then it is also paid at PPC. But PPC, you can categorize the PPC in two things. One, the ads which is appearing as the search result. One, the ad which the ad which is appearing in the search result. Let's suppose, let's see the ad. There are not a lot, there might not be a lot of advertisers, or so no ads. Let's suppose we are searching digital marketing, service. So again, no ads. I don't know what happened, why not ad is appearing. So when your ad is appearing as a search result, you are searching for buy mobile phone Moto Z, when you are saying, and this ad is appearing, this is called search ad. So you can divide the entire advertisement in two categories. One is search advertisement and one is display advertisement. So search advertisement, when search engine has lot of users, user is searching for the keyword and your relevant ad is appearing. This is a search engine. And advertiser, when you are displaying your ad on other website for the impression, then it's a display ad. So you may divide the entire online advertisement in search ad and display ad. So advertisers pay only when they will receive the click. Advertiser pay only when someone click on the advertisement. So we have visited so much of websites, so much of ads, but we haven't clicked on anyone. So these advertisers need not to pay for the presence. They will pay only for the clicks. So this was the biggest selling point. This was the biggest USP at that point of time when PPC was emerging. And advertisers that at that point of time, there was traditional advertisers or traditional marketers or offline marketers, and at that point of time in the traditional marketing on the newspaper medium, you have to pay for the circulations. Doesn't matter your user is reading the newspaper or not, or your user is buying from after reading the newspaper or not, you don't know about that. But according to the number of circulations, you have to pay for the presence. and that advertisers get very impressed when search engine, Yahoo, Google, Bing ask them to, okay, come to our platform. We have this much of use number of users. That number of user is coming on my website and they are using our search facilities. And when we will show your ad, you need not to pay for this display. You will only pay for the clicks. So advertiser got very impressed and they started doing the advertisement. So it's very impressive. No money to be paid to advertisers. Only if someone will click, then only he will pay. So how much money they have to pay? It depends on the advertisers' competitions. Like how many people are ready to pay for that positions. So they have run a little bit of online competitions, that is bidding competitions, and then they were deciding that who will pay what for which clicks. And when we are running the search advertisement, so if you want to show your ad here, suppose I want to show ad for let's some find, okay, RO service in no, it is Delhi. So when you are searching for this and this ad is appearing, so what happened that you have to decide for which keyword you want to show this ad. You have to decide for which keyword you want to show this ad. So right now we will discuss one of the tool to create those keywords. You will make a list of these keywords. Okay, I want to show my ad for RO service in Noida or Kent RO service or RO service in Dwarka. So you must have a list of the keyword or targeted keywords, or you can guess that what your end user is trying to search, and accordingly you can decide, okay, for which keyword you want to show this ad, right? So that was that keyword planner. There is a tool. We are going to use this tool in few minutes. No worries about that. But first you have to decide. You have to do the keyword research, and then you will find what your user is searching for. Whatever keyword they are using, you will target those keyword, and when someone will search that keyword, your ad will appear. So that keyword research and analysis was the first step to get started with the search advertisement. Keyword research is the first step towards the search advertisement. So when you will run this keyword tools, we are going to use the keyword tools. This type of keyword, whatever interface you are seeing here, that has little bit changed, but you will get to know that okay, which keyword and what will be the estimated positions and how much per click you. This is all the estimates, not the exact number. So this is the tentative or guess, or you can suggestion. It's the Google suggestions that this number, this much of amount you may have to pay for these keywords, and this advertiser competitors means how many number of advertisers are ready to pay to appear for this keyword. This is the number of advertisers ready to pay for this keyword. So it is the advertisers competitions. This is local search volume. Locally means whatever locations this country, how many people are searching this keyword in your locations, and how many people are searching for this keyword globally. So you can see that global monthly searches and local monthly searches and highest volume. You can also see that trend, that in which month, what is the season for your searches, when people are getting the maximum number of searches for these keywords. So this is the highest month, and you can add this keyword. You can click here, add this keyword to do the advertisements. So practically we are going to do all these things right now. Just understand there is a tool. Using that tool, you can find all those keywords to target the advertisement. So when someone will click this keyword, you can choose this keyword to show the advertisement. This keyword will trigger your ad. Okay, this keyword will establish the relevancy, that your ad is good enough, relevant enough, right enough to show in the search engine result page. So this is the keywords, and then when let's suppose your ad is appearing here. So people will click. You need not to pay for the impressions. You are only paying for the clicks. So when someone is clicking on your ad, everyone will get benefited. If your ad is appearing, and as a user you are searching RO service in East Delhi, and this ad is appearing, When you are clicking on this ad, means you are assuming that whatever you are searching for, you are supposed to find the content. So user is very happy because they have received the informations. Then advertiser is very happy because they have received the clicks from the prospective users. And then Google is very happy because Google will get paid for every single clicks. So click is very important in advertisement. Every single one is running towards the clicks. Everyone want maximum number of clicks. So when your click is very good, means Google calculate a number that is called click through rate. Click through rate means number of clicks. When your ad appear, this is number of clicks divided by number of impressions multiplied by 100. So number of clicks means someone has clicked on your ad. Number of impressions means how many times your ad has been displayed, and multiplied by 100 is the CTR. So CTR is the one of the biggest factor in AdWord ranking. Within the advertisement, whose ad will appear on the top will largely decided by CTR. Whichever ad has highest CTR will get better positions, and they have to pay less. Google reward those highest quality ads. Means user will click on your ad only if your ad is relevant. So if you are providing relevant ad, user is happy. If you are providing relevant ad, you are getting the user, so advertiser is happy. If you are providing relevant ad, user will click and Google will get paid. So Google is happy. So if your number of clicks is better, you can go for number of clicks divided by number of impressions. So let's suppose your ad has been displayed for 100 times, and out of that 100, 10 times your ad get clicked. So that means your CTR is 10%. So and some others add that their ad has appeared for 100 times, and but they get clicks only for 1 times. So their CTR is 1%. So in that case, Google will prefer to the ad copies or this particular ad which receive maximum click and or having higher CTR. So the ad having a 10% CTR are tend to get better position than the ad having 1% CTR, right? So Google create a competitions between the advertiser to create a very quality advertisement or right advertisement or relevant advertisement, so that their user should click on that advertisement, right? So this is one of the example of CTR, that CTR is click through rate. Your higher CTR is a passport, or your higher CTR is very good thing, that you will get higher position and you will pay less. So this is the CTR, and user will click on the advertisement if it is relevant, interesting, or if your ad is relevant, then only user will click. If your ad is useful, then only user will click. Your ad is quality, compelling, and your ad have reason enough to get the clicks, then only your ad will get clicked. So you have to create compelling advertisement. User will click on the advertisement if it is relevant to them and it is interesting to them. Relevant and interesting. So user will take action as expected. If advertiser is not misleading them, he finds what he is looking for and he find a good deal. So let's suppose here you are selling flats in Pune, and people click on flats in Pune and they are landing on, let's suppose, plot in Pune. So it's not a good match. So whatever expectations you are setting in the ad, in whatever content or text or images or graphics or offers you are promising in the ad, that promise must be fulfilled in your landing page. This is your landing page. So when you are clicking on some ad, and you are landing on a page, then this is called landing page. So your landing page should fulfill the promise which Google is, when Google is clicking on, when Google is displaying the ad, you have to fulfill the promise when someone will click on your ad and land on your landing page. So you have to fulfill that expectations, and you have to provide very good deal to your users. So if your quality score is again Google's way to measure the parameter whether you are trying to help your Google user or not, or whether you are a good advertisers or not, or whether your ad copies is relevant for the users is not. So quality score get measured if your keyword, let's suppose you are searching for keywords, if the keyword is present in ad copies. So if you are searching for RO and keyword is present in your ad copy, means this is good quality score. If you are searching for keyword, keyword is present in ad title, keyword is present in ad URL, keyword is present in ad description, keyword is present in ad extensions, keyword is also present in landing page, then your quality score will increase. So presence of keyword in your ad copy, presence of your keyword in your title, in your URL, in your description, on and on your landing page. Along with all this presence, the CTR, that how many clicks you have received in with every impressions, then quality score will get calculated. That quality score will be good for if your keyword, if the keyword is present in title, URL, descriptions and landing page, and your CTR is whatever is your CTR, accordingly your quality score will increase. So quality score is for every keyword. That quality score is given to every keyword. In the same way, Google has initiated the, now it's not that impactful, but page rank. So in SEO, if you are doing SEO, page rank is one of the quality factor. So very similar to the SEO, here quality score is the quality parameter. So you have to go for a higher quality score. The value of quality score is between 0 to 1. So 0 means low quality, 0 means low quality and 10 means high quality. So you have to aim for at least 8 plus quality score for every single keyword, so that you are going to pay less for better position. So quality score is win-win for the users, Google and the advertisers. More quality score is determined by CTR, that is click-through rate, and click-through rate is clicks divided by impressions multiplied by 100. And when clicks increase, your CTR increase. When there is more click means more CTR. More CTR means more click. More click means advertiser is happy because they are getting relevant users. More CTR means more clicks, and more money, Google is happy because Google is getting paid for every clicks. More CTR means more clicks, and user is happy because user is finding relevant content very fast. So click and CTR is a very important factor. So more targeted traffic means more sales. Advertiser is happy, means when user is clicking on the relevant ad, when the user is assuming that you are going to fulfill their expectations, then only user will click on your ad. So when you are getting more targeted traffic, then you will make more sales. When you will make more sales, you are happy. As advertiser or website owner, you are happy. Advertiser is happy means advertiser have more budget to spend on Google. So that why Google is happy. And user is looking, whatever user is looking for, they will find the relevant content very fast. So that's why user is happy. So it's the dynamic of pay per click. So you have to work in the ecosystem in which you have to take care of your users. So user should be your ad should be useful for the user. Your ad should in such a way that user should click on your ad, so that Google should make the money, and you have to attract those users who is looking for you. You have to attract those users who is ready to buy. You have to attract those users who is more mature enough to take the action. So if you are able to attract those targeted users, then everyone will be happy. Advertiser and Google and users all will be happy. So you have to run ad on targeted to attract target users, and you have to you have to target for get maximum clicks. So if you have good quality score, Google will reward you with the higher positions and lesser amount. It's if ad is running means this ad may have higher quality score than this one, so higher position in lesser amount. So this is the quality score. Google will always reward you. The structure of the campaign. The structure of the campaign is on the top level you have accounts. At the top level you have Adword account. Within that Adword account you can manage lot of campaign. Within that campaign you can manage lot of ad groups. Within the ad groups you can manage lot of ad copies, and within that ad copies you can target those ad copies for the related keywords. So this is the structure you may follow to set up your Adword account. We are going to set up right now in few minutes. So you can target the keywords broad match, means when someone is looking for RO service in East Delhi, means your ad is eligible for the word RO, for the word service, for the word East, for the word Delhi. Means your ad is eligible for any permutation, combinations or single word present in your search term. Then it is called broad match. If you are targeting that entire RO service in East Delhi, means your ad will be counted as qualified ad or relevant ad for any of these keyword or in any combinations. So this is broad match. Second is you can only target the phrase match. Phrase match you always have to mention phrase match in the double quotes. So when you are targeting keyword in the phrase match, what you are saying to the Google, show my ad only and only when someone is searching for all these keywords together in any order. So your ad will be shown for the keyword RO service in East Delhi or East Delhi RO service or RO service like Delhi RO service East, whatever. So this is the phrase match. Phrase match means all keywords should be present but in any order. Then only show my ad. So you are targeting the phrase match. Other type of keyword match is called exact match. Exact match, you mention the exact match in big bracket. So when you are covering the big bracket exact match, that it means that you are targeting the you are saying to the Google, show my ad only and only when someone is exactly searching for the RO service in East Delhi. In the same order, all the keywords should be present and there is no permutation combinations. I want to show my ad only and only for this particular combination and particular order of the keyword. Then only you are targeting the exact match. So this is the exact match. So if you want to show your ad, you can target broad match keyword, you can target phrase match keyword, you can target exact keyword. You can also exclude targeting by including minus option in the you can include minus options. When you are placing minus before any keywords, that means you are targeting negative keyword. You are communicating to the Google, okay, show my ad only and only when someone is searching for my target keyword, that is RO service. But if they are using RO service minus, if they are using RO service Delhi, then don't show my ad. Means when you don't want to show your ad when someone is searching for this word. Means this word, if the negative keyword is appearing along with your target keyword, then you don't want to show your ad. Negative keyword only means when someone is searching for your target keyword and they are also using the negative keyword. So you don't want to show your ad for your target keyword if that target keyword is combined with your negative keyword. So that is your let's suppose you can do that RO service job. We are providing RO service. We are only providing RO service services. We are not providing job. Then what I will do? Okay, show my ad for RO service. but never ever show my ad when someone is searching jobs along with the RO service. When someone is typing RO service job, then don't show my ad. What does it mean? Your RO service is your target keyword, but job is your negative keyword. So that way you can add negative keyword. So these are the variety of the keyword which we are going to use while setting up the campaign. So this is broad keyword. Broad means you are targeting any combinations of the keyword. Phrase keyword means the keyword, all the word of the key phrase must be present in any order. So then it's a phrase match targeting. Exact match means your ad will trigger, your ad will show only and only when someone will search for the exact order of that keyword. Then it's exact match. And negative keyword, when that particular word is appearing with you, when that particular word is appearing. Your question is, can I use phrase keyword and negative keyword at the same time? Yes, you can use phrase keyword and negative keyword at the same time. So negative keyword you can apply on the campaign level or on the ad group level. So let's suppose you have added job as the negative keyword. So, and your target keyword is RO service. So in that case, RO service, for RO service your ad will appear, but when someone will search for RO service jobs, your ad will not appear. So RO service may be your exact match, RO service may be your phrase match, RO service may be your broad match. Doesn't matter. RO service can be any match, broad, exact or phrase, but you are just communicating to the Google कि when someone is also searching job along with RO service, then don't show my ad. So, got the answer? Yes. So this is the negative keyword, and the keyword is, you try out, like when you are going for the keyword targeting. Nice, thank you, thank you. So keep asking such questions. So it's more interactive. You can ask as many questions as you want. So try out the cost of the PPC for the broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Exact match, when you will run your ad, you will realize that for exact match you might be paying more rather than the phrase match, or you are for the phrase match you might be paying more rather than the broad match. So the broader you will target, lesser you will pay. But in that case, you may get lot of irrelevant click. If you are targeting RO service in Noida, and let's suppose there is an example of mat. Let's suppose yesterday I was searching for yoga mat online. If I'm searching for yoga mat online, and at that point of time, now it's not appearing, but at that point of time, MBA mat exam was appearing in my advertisement. So MAT mat, this mat means I'm looking for mat, and MBA mat is two different things, right? So in that case, you can include yoga. If you are running MBA mat exam, you can include yoga as a negative keyword. Means when someone is searching for mat along with the yoga, then don't show my ad. Yoga is a negative keyword for them. So that way you can target. You may have to pay different amount for different kind of match. So this campaign we are going to create, we will provide the campaign name, campaign type, campaign subtype, and then we will create ad copies. Then we will create ad groups name, and what should be the bidding amount. And this is the structure of the campaign we are going to create just now. That then you will create ad copies, that what is the destination final URL where your people will land, what is the title, headline, description line 1, description line 2, and display URL. Display, this green is display URL. The URL which will appear on your ad term. So I hope you are here only. Yes. So this is the campaign we will set up just now, and in that case, when we are creating this ad copy, we will keep these following things in mind. That we will create ad copy in the title case, means first character of the every word should be in capital letter. We will write title descriptions and have ad group and call to action. We try to include call to action while creating these ad copies. Right now we are going to create such ad copy, right? So this is the revision of yesterday class. Now we are going to move to the today's class. So today we are going to expand our Adword. So before expanding today's class, let's set up one campaign, and then we will come back and we will cover this today's sessions, and then we will do the practices. So are you ready to explore the Adword platform? Right? Yes, nice. So I want to show these things from the scratch. If I will use my Gmail ID or my Adword account, it may not show you the Adword setup from the scratch. So do you want me to set up using your Gmail ID? Okay, fine. Then share your Gmail ID. I will set up the ad from the scratch, and I will explain all the steps one by one from the new Gmail ID, because there are few informations which will which will appear only one time. So it's yes, I know always. I think I already know this Gmail ID. So you have to also might share the password. You can change it after the class. Make sure to change it after the class, but I'm going to use your Gmail ID. You have to also share the password. You can privately share the password here, and I will change the password. You will change the password once the class is over. Okay, nice. So we are using your password. So Google may give you security alert that someone is trying to attempt your someone is trying to attempt your Gmail account. So should I send the OTP? Should I send prompt, or should I try for another way to sign in? So okay, I'm just sending the prompt. Right. So now you are in the Adword. This is the first page, or first dashboard of your Adword. So now you can see that Google has recently launched one Adword product that is called Google Express. In Google Express is very much useful when you are promoting in local businesses. So when you want to manage your Adword, and you have businesses to promote locally, then you can go for the Google Express, right? And when you are not very technically advanced, or when you don't want to manage so many things to uh, to do the advertisement, then you can go for the Google Express. But if you want to explore the all possible features of Adword, so if you are experienced with Adword, if you want to explore every possible options of as setting up Adword, then you will go to the full-fledged Adword. Then you will click on skip the guided tour. But when you want to set up your ad in 3 steps, get started advertising on the Google in just few steps. When you want to do Adword in few steps, then you will go for these options like Express. But when you want to explore the Adword as the experienced one or want to see all the possible options, then you will click on skip the guided tour. So which one you want to explore, Express or full-fledged Adword? Which Adword platform you want to explore? Adword Express for local business promotions, or you want to see all the advertisement options available to you in Adword? Which option? Full-fledged. Fine. So when you are going for the full-fledged, you will click here skip the guided tour. So skip the guided steps. So now you are in the Google Adword, actual full-fledged Google Adword platform. This is account level information, country, currency and time zone. This is the account level information, and this information you cannot change. Please enter your email ID, time zone and country and currency, and you won't be able to change this setting later, so choose carefully. So for this particular account, you may not be able to change your email ID, country, currency and time zone, so you will select carefully. So is it okay? We should select the same email ID, India, country and Indian Standard Time as time zone and Indian rupees as currency. We should go for that option, or do you want to change the country, currency, time zone? Okay, let's go for the same options. So this is one time information. This is the only information which you may not be able to change in future in this account. After this, you will be able to change every single thing whenever you want in your account. If you want to change your campaign name or campaign type or sub campaign or ad groups or keywords or locations or any targeting options, every single thing you can change anytime. But these three information you may not be able to change for this particular account. So we will select country, currency, time zone. This country is not the targeting options. Even you have selected country India, but you can run advertisement in UK. You can run advertisement in Australia. You can run advertisement across the globe. So this is not your targeting option. This is only that Google is earning money from India. So Google has to pay some taxes to the Indian government. So for that purpose, Google is asking that in which country, according to which country law, they have to pay the taxes. So that's why Google is asking for country and in which time zone your reporting will happen, and that's why Google is asking for time zone. In which currency you are going to pay, that's why Google is asking for the currency. So it doesn't only Google. If you are doing paid advertisement on any platform, whether it is Yahoo, Bing, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, wherever you are running paid advertisement, almost every single platform will ask you for country, currency, time zone, and you will not be able to change this country, currency, time zone on that platform for that particular account. So if in future, let's suppose in future you want to change the country, currency, time zone, for that you have to change the account. You can't do the changes in the current account. When you try to import all the data, all the stats, all the number of clicks and impressions and conversions, all these stats, if you will try to transfer all the old account stats to the new account stats, you may not be able to do it. So in that case, you can just only import your content, means ad copies or campaign settings. These things you will be able to import, but that accumulated stats, means number of clicks, number of conversions, number of impressions, that stats you may not be able to transfer from one account to another account. So you will make sure that what country, currency, time zone you are going to change, choose in your account. After setting up, You can click on save and continue. So far so good. Any problem, any questions so till now? Nice. So after country, currency, time zone, Google will ask you to create your first account. Google will prompt you, okay, let's go and create your first account. In Google AdWord, you can create 6 different type of campaign. These 6 different type of campaign is also that if you are going for Google AdWords certifications. Have you heard about Google AdWords certifications? Have you heard about previously Google AdWords certification? No. Okay. So in that case, if you can do Google AdWords certifications. That is a free online exam, and that is a certification that you have you have the ability, you have the competency to manage advertisement for your client. So this certificate is a proof that you know AdWord well. So to get that certificates, you have to clear online exams. There are total 6 online exams. If you are able to clear at least 2 exams, then only you will get the Google Advertising Professional certifications, right? If you are running a company and in your company more than 2 people are Google AdWords certified professionals, then you may showcase your company as the Google partner website. You must have seen that so many digital marketing agencies and digital marketing training providers and so many companies showcasing themselves as a Google partner. It only means that in their team there is a capacity, they can manage the Google advertisement for their client, right? So in your company, if you can manage Google AdWord, means you are Google partner, right? If you want to be individual partner, you can also go for the individual certifications, that is GAP certifications, that is Google Advertising Professional certifications. If you are interested in that certification, just drop me a mail. I will share the rest of the details. I will share the test link where you can appear for the test. I will share the link where you can go through and prepare for the exams. That whatever the course or content is present, online course content from the Google AdWord, I will share the link with you. Right? Yes, this exam is related to only Google AdWord, not all the SEM. It also includes search, it includes display, it includes video, it includes mobile app promotions, includes shopping advertisement. So this exam is related to AdWord. AdWord means advertisement on Google property, advertisement on Google partner. It's not only PPC, it's PPC, it's a CPC, CPM, CPA. Means cost per click, cost per 1,000 impressions, and cost per acquisitions. So it's not only for it's not only PPC. All kind of payment bidding strategy is available in this campaign. So it's not only PPC, it's not only SEM. It's all about advertisement on Google properties, advertisement on Google partner. That includes Google search, means google.com, co.in. That includes Google search partner, whoever website is using Google search algorithm. That also includes Google display network, means all the website who has done partnership with the Google to show Google's ad on their website using AdSense. Then you will also run advertisement on Google partner website, that is display ad. You can also run advertisement on YouTube using AdWord, that is video ad. You can also run your ad on mobile app, that App Store or Android stores. So that is again Google app promotions. So all these kind of ad you can manage using AdWord. Fair enough. We can start setting up the campaign. Yes. So just give me 1 minute. I'm having a sip of water and I will be back in 1 minute. Right? By the time you can just see the options when you have to set up the campaign. What are the options available to you? The campaign name, campaign type, network, devices, locations. I am back in I will be back in 2 minutes. So hi Prajol, I am back. I hope you are here only. We can set up the campaign now. Yes. So let's go for the campaign setup. So this is your campaign name. Here you will write the campaign name. Campaign name. This is your that no one is going to see the campaign name. It's for your reference. So you will set up meaningful campaign name so that whenever in future you are seeing the name of the campaign, it should recall you that why you have set up the campaign. What is the objective of the campaign? It's this campaign is related to which product. So let's suppose we are setting up a campaign construction Bangalore construction in Pune. The keyword what you have said construction is this right? Can you suggest me few keywords for which you want to run your paid ad. So that way I will set up a campaign, a dummy campaign, not the paid one, but you will see that okay, how you are going to run the campaign in your industry. Can you suggest me some keyword related to your industry? Prajwal, please suggest me some keywords related to real estate in Pune. Bungalow construction, architectural plan, interior design. Very nice, very nice. So let us we are going to set up this campaign for interior design, because these are the three different broad categories: bungalow construction, broad category; architectural plan, broad categories; and interior design, broad category. So what I would suggest, let's create three different campaign for these three different product, right? Don't try to include all these three product in one category, one campaign. So let's, right now I'm going to set up a interior design campaign for you. So it's a interior design. Its in campaign name is interior design, right? And then you have to select the type of the campaign. These are the different type of campaign we have just discussed. Search with display. Search with display. Search with display means interior design service in Pune. Is it good idea? Interior design service in Pune, or simple interior design service can be a good keyword. Interior design service. So interior design service, you are running the campaign for interior design service. Okay, so if you want to show your ad here, this is search. If you want to show your ad here, in this way, this is display. If you want to show your ad here, this is display, and this is search. So if you want to run only one campaign, which campaign should show your ad in the search and which campaign also show your ad in display, then this type of campaign is called search with display. This is search with display. When you want to show your ad only to the Google search, means this is when you want to show your ad only to the Google search, this is, then you will select the search network only. When you want to show your ad only to the display, when you want to show your ad only to the other website, you don't want to show your ad in the display, in the search, you only want to show your ad on the other website display, then you will select Google Display Network. When you want to show your ad in shopping, let's suppose interior design items, let's see, some shopping ad is appearing. So when you want to show your ad in shopping, then you will select the shopping ad. If you want to show your ad on YouTube, when you want to show your ad on YouTube, then you will select, if you want to show your ad in YouTube search or in YouTube video, that is in discovery and in stream. In discovery means when someone is searching and your ad is appearing. In stream means someone is seeing the video and your ad is appearing. So it's in discovery and in stream. So in that case, you will set up the video campaign. When you are promoting a mobile app across the platform, you are promoting a mobile app in search, you are promoting mobile app in display, and you are promoting mobile app on YouTube, then it is called universal app campaign. So these are the different type of campaign, and around each campaign there is a certification. There is search network certifications, display network certifications, shopping certifications, video certifications, and mobile app certifications. So these are the 5 certifications, and one is fundamental certifications. So that is the 6 certifications you have to clear to be expert in Adword. So all these are online exam, and you can, this is the free online exams. And if 80% is the passing marks, if you are not able to clear in the first attempt, you can clear the exam after 7 days. So I will suggest if you have entered into the digital marketing, and if you are serious about making your career in digital marketing, then go do some learning, do a lot of practices, and go and clear all these exams, right? So which type of campaign you would like me to showcase right now? Which type of campaign you want to set up right now? Which campaign would you like to set up? Search or display, or video, or shopping, or universal app, or search with display select? Or should I show you all kind of campaign one by one? Search with display select. Yes, nice. So let's go and select search with display select. So you will select search with display select. This is the subtype, that what kind of ad you want. This is the subtype, standard and all feature. Standard means your ad will like you will take less options will appear and you will run your ad. All feature means all option will appear and you will take decision on all options. So which one you want to go for, standard or all feature? Let's go for all features, so that you will be able to see all the options available to you for the setting up the ad. So here you can decide where you want to show your ad, on Google Search Network, Google Search Partner, or Google Display Network. Google Search Network means Google, yeah, google.com, co.in, and Google Search Partner means all those websites which is using Google search algorithm, and Google is displaying their advertisement on that website, then it is Google Search Partner. AOL is the Google Search Partner. The website which is using free Google custom search code, they are the search partner. So you can decide where you want to show your ad right now. Let's suppose we are going to show your ad on all the search and all the display. So you will select all. Your ad will display to all devices. There is no option to choose the device. Your ad will display on all eligible devices. Here you can select the target location where you want to show your ad. So what is your location? In which location you want to show your ad? Suggest me some location where you want to show your ad. Suggest me some location where you want to show your ad. This interior design service ad. Pune, would you like to show in Pune? Pune and Mumbai. Let's suppose we are selecting, you can do, you can search for Pune, and you can ad means your ad will, if you are selecting ad means your ad will display, and this is the potential reach. If this is the potential, how many people you may reach using this advertisement, this inclusion. So you can add means your ad will display. Exclude means your ad will not display on that. Nearby means radius, you can target the radius. So right now we are including ad. We are also including Mumbai. You can also include Mumbai ad. So now we have selected Pune and Mumbai. We want to show ad radius targeting. Here you can just set up the exact name, enter the place, name of the place or address, or you may have that latitude and longitude, and you can do that. You can just enter the pin code and you can do the location targeting. So this is the radius targeting. Location groups, you can have a group of the locations like place of the interest, or you can select according to the demography, or you can select my locations, whatever locations available to you in Google My Business. So you can select location groups. Bulk location, let's suppose you have a list of 1000 places where you want to run ad. So you can just list all the places where you want to run ad. You may have 1000 location group, you can target here. So right now we are not going into all those options. We are just targeting two places, Mumbai and Mumbai and Pune. And this is the potential which we have included. If you are happy with this, if you are happy with this is the Pune and this is the Mumbai. If you are happy with this selections, then you can click on done. So you have targeted Mumbai and Pune. So do you want to show ad who is physically present in the target location? People in my target locations. Means people, you want to show ad only and only to the people who is physically present in your target location. Is in Pune, I only want to publish in some area. Yes, you can also do. That you can also do. Give me the name of the area. Give me some name of the area. So I am removing the Pune and just going to target a specific area in the Pune. Give me the name of the area. Give me one name of the area in Pune. So you are targeting. So it's Koregaon Park. So there what you will do, you will write Koregaon Park and Kalyani Nagar. So these are the two different locations. So you have to enter twice. So it's a Koregaon Park, Pune. Koregaon Park. So is it showing correct? Which one you want to target? Koregaon Park, Pune. So this option, then you will click on add, right? And next you want to target Kalyani Nagar. So you can just select the Kalyani Nagar, Pune. So again you can add. So this way you can select Koregaon. If you want to do the radius targeting, you can also go to the radius targeting and select. You can give them okay Kalyani Nagar, Pune, Kalyani Nagar, Pune, and 20 kilometers within that Kalyani Nagar. So you can click on Kalyani Nagar and 20 kilometers. If 20 kilometers is very big numbers, you can just type 5 kilometers and you can search for 5 kilometers. So that way you can also target. You can also target according to the zip code wise. So fair enough. So we have targeted Mumbai, we have targeted this one and we have targeted this one. And if you are happy with this targeting, you can click on done. So more you can explore. Yes, nice. The more option you can explore. If you will face any issue, you can let me know. So then where you want to target, to whom you want to target, who is physically present in your target location, who is not physically present in your target location but have shown interest in your target locations. Let's suppose I am looking for interior design service in Kalyani Nagar, but I am not present in Kalyani Nagar. I am sitting in Noida. So do you want to show your ad to them, or if you want to show your ad both of them, you can select this one. So I will prefer to go for this one. In the same way, to whom you want to exclude, you can decide from here which language you want to target. You can decide multiple languages. So let's suppose we are targeting English and Hindi, and you may target according to the speaking language of your audience. So let's see, if I'm just checking if Marathi was there, but you can target English. If you don't have Hindi speaking, you can just exclude it, right? Now you have to that the bidding strategy, that how you want to pay to the Google, at what parameter you would like to pay to the Google. So there are two parameters. Either you can pay, you can give according to this, that automated bidding and manual bidding. Automated bidding means you are giving authority to the Google. They are going to bid in your behalf. So this is automated bidding. Manual bidding means you are taking the control and you will bid for every ad. Then it's a manual bidding. In automated bidding, you have to give them options that at what parameter, what is the objective of your campaign. According to that, you are giving authority to the Google to bid around these parameters. So few parameters you can apply right now. Few parameters to bid for that parameter, you may have to set up some tracking code. Then only you will be able to bid according to that. So let's suppose you are targeting target search page locations. Means you want to make sure that my ad should appear in top, and for the top presence you may increase my budget or you may decrease my budget. So this is your target search location, target search page location. Target cost per action or cost per acquisitions. So you can target cost per acquisitions only if when you will set up the conversion code. There is a conversion code. If your conversion tracking is in place, then only you can target cost per acquisitions. You can target return on ad spend, and to set up the bid for return and ad spend, again you have to set up the conversion code, and you also have to give a value to that conversion code. Then only you will be able to set up target return on ad spend. You can target outrank share. So you can give them, okay, I want to show my ad, but make sure to show my ad above this domain name. So that way you can target outrank share. Maximize clicks means you are saying to the Google, okay, increase or decrease my bidding amount, but make sure that my ad should appear, my ad should get maximum number of clicks. So enhanced CPC, when you asking your Google, okay, I want to bid low on mobile devices and I want to bid more for desktop devices, or I want to bid more on weekends, or I want to bid less on weekdays. So if you want to do device level bidding, or if you want to if you want to bid up and down for the conversions, then you will set up your enhanced CPC. So you can select whatever option you want. Right now we are going to select the manual CPC, right? So while setting up the manual CPC, you have to set up your default bid. So in your industry, let's suppose you are looking for, you are targeting this interior design services in Pune. So what you will do, you will see that who other is running the ad and how much they are bidding, and what Google is suggesting you to bid. So here you can see the Google suggestion for the bid. You will go to the tools and click on keyword planner. Go to the keyword planner and write your top keywords here. Write your top keywords here. So it is keyword planner, and you will write your top keywords. Let's suppose we are going to run ad for what interior design service. So you can set up interior design service in Pune, or interior. See, let's Google is top 10 interior list of interior dedicated interior design Pune charges. So what you will do, you will find the keywords and you will place the keywords here, and then you will select the location. So here you will select the locations. Let's suppose you are targeting in Pune, and you are targeting Pune ad, and you are also targeting Mumbai. So you can select add Mumbai, and then you will click on save. You can also decide, okay, English language, and you can add negative keywords, or you can add, okay, keyword must include services, or keyword must include interior design, or so you can apply the filters. After setting up, then you can click on get idea. When you are clicking on get idea, they will give you these keywords and average monthly searches, that how many people are searching for this keyword in these locations, whatever locations you have selected. You have selected the location in Mumbai and Pune. So in this location, with all these filters, how many people are searching, what is the competitions. This competition is the advert competition. This competition is the number of advertisers ready to pay for this keyword, is this competitions, and this is the suggested bid. In this industry, interior design services or interior design Pune charges, or interior design service in Pune, this is the suggested bid. So what you have to find, you have to find the keyword having high search volume, low competitions, and low suggested bid. That is your gold keyword. So if you find that good keyword, you will include that keyword, add to the plan, add to the plan, add to the plan. You can include those keyword, interior decorator or interior designer. So home interior design, you will include all those keyword in the target, and you will also try to find the average of the suggested bid. So this average is, let's suppose 35 or 36, you can bid around that. So let's suppose your average bid is 35 rupees. So average, you are going to maximum, this is your limit. Bid means you are telling to the Google, okay, if I am ready to pay max to max 35 rupees for a click, 35 rupees per click. If my ad is eligible, then only show my ad. uh, if your ad is not eligible, if the bid amount is more than 35, then your ad may not qualify, your ad may not display, but Google will not charge more than 35 rupees per click. So this is your maximum limitations. So let's suppose you want to receive 100 clicks in a day. So what will be your per day budget? 35 multiplied by 100. So this will be your per day budget. Let's suppose you want to receive only 50 clicks. So that will be 35 multiplied by 50. So that will be your daily budget. And that daily budget may increase or may decrease per day, but the monthly budget will not exceed. That 3500 multiplied by 30.4, whatever is the amount, your monthly budget will not exceed that amount. On the daily budget, the amount 3500 per day may little bit increase or decrease. Then you will decide your delivery method. Delivery method means which ad you want to show, like standard and accelerated. Standard means your ad will show your ad spend, your money will spend throughout the day, and accelerated one means your ad will appear as soon as possible, and your ad budget will get exhausted faster. So right now we are going for the standard. Then you can add ad extensions. Ad extension, this is called ad extensions. So see, the site link is ad extension. This is the ad extension. So this is location. They have added the location extensions. They have added the time extensions. They have added the internal pages link in the ad. So this is the ad extensions. So you can add ad extensions. Basic ad is your title, URL, description. Basic ad is headline 1, headline 2, display URL, and that detailed description. So apart from these three basic things, whatever you are seeing, this is either internal pages or locations or mobile number. So whatever extra you are seeing, all these are ad extensions. Ad extensions will make you will be able to provide more information to your user in the ad space. When you will provide more information, see, the user is providing this much of information. So when you will provide more information, there are chances that you will get more clicks. When you will get more clicks, again everyone is happy. Google is happy, you are happy, and user is happy. But you need not to pay any single extra penny to add this information. You will only pay when someone will click on this, right? So you will choose the location extension. Site link location means if that location is present on your Google My Business, you can link your Google My Business location to the location. Site link means internal pages of your website. Call means mobile number, phone number. Mobile apps, you can showcase the mobile app links. Review, if your product or services is reviewed on any third party. Third party means any third party like Goodreads or any other third party is reviewing you, you can add their rating and star rating. Means if you are present on Google My Business and your customer has reviewed, done rating and reviewed for your product in Google My Business, you can include your Google My Business rating and review here. Call outs means you are providing call outs like free shipping or 24-hour customer services, or you can encourage your user to take the action. So that is call out. Structured snippet, when you are providing more information. This is the example of structured snippet. So this one line, if this one line is not sufficient, you are adding more information in the structured snippet. Structured snippet is simple text. So you can add any add extensions. Let's suppose right now we are going to add only call extensions. So you will click on call extensions and here you will add the call extension. You can click on add number and then you will select the country. So let's suppose you are selecting the country India. So it's India. Here you will write the number. Let's suppose your number is, what was your number? Your number was this one. I'm just trying to copy it. I'm not able to copy it anyways. You can provide the right number here. Alright. So I'm providing. So you can set up the number and then you will see the device preferences, whether you want to show this number on the mobile device or not, or how long you want to, at what date to what date you want to show your number, and then you can click on fill. So that way you can add any kind of, you can see this is your number get added as this number will appear with your ad. So this is your ad will appear along with this your ad, your number will appear. Can you see that? This is the call extensions. So your number will also appear. This is the example of call extension. So you can add this number and after that you can decide the schedule of your advertisement, at which date and which time you want to run your ad. So let's suppose you want to run your ad from end date, this date to this date, and all day you want to run ad from 9 a.m. to, let's suppose, whatever you can decide. You want to run your ad for 9 a.m. to might be 11 p.m. So that way you can also decide at what time you want to show your ad. Ad delivery, that which ad will show more, that optimize for clicks. Whichever ad is getting more clicks will show more. Whichever ad is getting maximum number of conversion will be given more. Your ad will rotate evenly, means every ad will show one by one, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 for 90 days, and rotate indefinitely means doesn't matter which ad is getting maximum clicks or which ad is getting maximum number of conversions, your ad will get rotated, displayed evenly in the rotation. Then it's a rotate indefinitely. You can also set up the frequency capping. So frequency capping means you want to show your ad, how many number of impression you want to show your ad per day per ad group. Per day, let's suppose I want to show 5 times to one user per day per ad group. So you can set up the frequency capping. Dynamic search, when you are not sure that what your user will click, but you want to show your ad if that keyword is present in your landing page. So landing page is the page when user will click on that page. So this is one of the landing page. At one clap, this is one of the landing page. So if that keyword is present in landing page, you can set up dynamic search ad. Dynamic search ad means you are not targeting the keyword, but that keyword is present in your landing page, and even then your ad is eligible to display, and whatever people will search, that automatically get inserted in your ad copies. Then this type of ad is called dynamic search. So right now we are not going for the dynamic search. Here you have to give the website name where they will pick the where they will match whether the keyword is present on your landing page or not. Campaign URL. So if you want to set up a specific URL to do the tracking, let's suppose you are going for this, and when you are clicking here you can see this. All these are the campaign parameters. UTM source is equal to Google, UTM medium is equal to CPC, GCID is equal to this one. So these are the campaign URL parameters. So by default, Google try to track every single thing. Google try to track, okay, this click is from the Adword, this click at this time, this campaign, this hours of business. So every single thing Google is already tracking. Even if you want to track any specific thing, you can create the campaign URL to track that particular aspect of your campaign. Right now we are not going to set up that campaign URL. You can just simply click on save and continue. So you are getting that you can set up the campaign yourself. Can you set up the campaign yourself? So you will click on save and continue. What happened? Yes, nice. Next campaign you are going to set up. Okay, budget we haven't given. So maximum CPC budget was the manual one, and we have decided about 30 rupees, and let's suppose per day budget is 1000 rupees. So now you should click on save and continue. So now you have to create the ad group. Ad group is the collection of ad copies and targeted keyword. Ad group is the collection of ad copies. So here you will write your ad copy. Final URL, headline 1, headline 2, part, descriptions. So this is your ad copies. And you are writing this ad copy for which keyword? You are writing this ad copy for which keyword? So the collection of ad copy for the particular set of keyword is called ad group. It's a collection of targeted keywords. This is the collection of targeted keyword, and corresponding ad copy for that keyword is called ad group. So let's suppose we are creating this ad group around interior design services. Interior design services. So you can place again ad group name doesn't matter, whatever name you want to say. You can see user is not going to see that name, so it's up to you. You can use the name so that you can recall it in future that why you have set up this ad group. So right now we are setting up this interior design services, and you can create ad copy text, or you may have ad gallery, means you have already created the ad copies, you can use from the ad gallery. You can create dynamic search ad, or you can create mobile app engagement. So right now we are going to set up only text ad. Text ad, what is the URL of your landing page? Which page will be landing page? Just share the URL of your landing page. If you are setting up your ad and someone will click on your ad and they will land on your website, so what will be the page of landing? That URL you have to share. Please share one URL which you may use for the landing page. Can you share the URL? Or should I take any dummy URL from other places? Do you have any URL ready? Okay. So let's suppose this URL is hackpo.com. Hackpo.com. Before placing the URL, make sure to make sure 100% make sure go and open the page and scan this page that the page should not have any error, your form should be working, your link should be working, your message should be very clear, images should be all right. So you will make sure that this page is very good enough to uh, handle the clicks of the advertisement. Then only you will copy this URL and paste it as a final URL. This is your final URL. Here you will write the headline. So you have to write very good headline here. You can craft it, it's in your industry, you understand the target audience, you understand the pain point of the target audience, you understand what your target audience is looking for. Exactly according to their requirement, you will create the ad copy. Right now I am going to copy it from somewhere else. So let's suppose I am saying interior design service in Pune. So I'm saying this one is our interior design service in Mumbai. Or we have also targeted Pune, so we can say it Pune. We have also targeted Mumbai, so we can say it Mumbai. And lowest priced guaranteed, lowest priced guaranteed, lowest priced guaranteed. Okay, you may be asking for call for lowest price. Call for lowest price. So one, you can't do one extra characters. So rather than call for, you may call for lowest price guaranteed or whatever. Call now, call uh, get call for lowest price. Call for lowest get get lowest price guarantee. Get lowest price guarantee. Then you will define the path. This is the display URL. This will appear here. So this is the display URL. Your display URL may be different. Your display URL may be different, and your destination URL may be different. Let's suppose your display URL is interior/designer, and when you actually click here, you will see different URL. When you see that, it's a different URL. So display URL we provide so that users should feel that okay, this is a relevant advertisement. So accordingly, you will provide the display URL. Interior design, kind of in the same way, we can use these keywords to make it more relevant. You can use this to make it more relevant. So interior, it's interior design and services. And also make sure that to write every single thing in title case. So every character, first character of every word should be in title case. So here you will write the descriptions. Again, I am just going to copy the things from others. So it's quality. It's quality furniture by Urban Ladder. Quality furniture. So you have to make it lesser. So quality furniture, 1 year warranty, free delivery. Interior designer, Bangalore, flexible payment option, vibrant colors, instant quote, and mobile app. So you can make your uh, that way. So you have to write in the character limitations, quality furniture, 1 year warranty, free delivery, remove the free delivery and types, quality furniture, warranty rather than 1 year warranty, make it warranty, free flexible payment, vibrant colors and instant code. So that way you will create your ad copies. So if you, when you are happy with the ad copy, when you are happy with the ad copy, then you will select the keyword. So here you have already done the keyword research from here. So you have selected the right keyword. You may select the more keyword ideas from this place. So it's home interior. So let's go for home interior design, home interior decor, home interior design for home. So you have included some target keyword. When you have selected the enough keyword, targeted thematically related keyword. So if here you are targeting interior designers, let's target only interior designer keywords. When you go for architecture plan, there you will target only architecture plan. So that way you have to thematically group all the keywords. Then you will click here. Then you can see that all the collected keyword number will appear here. Then you can click on the copy to the clipboard. You can copy this number and you can paste it here. So these are the keywords you are targeting. When someone will search this keyword, your ad will get triggered and may get displayed. So here you can also see that that the keyword must, you have to see according to the searches should be high, competition should be low, suggested should be low, suggested bid should be low. That way you will filter the keyword to target. Here you can see the estimated budget. So it's estimated traffic. So estimated traffic is approx 9,000 to 900 to 1100. So approx same budget we have set up. Here everything is fine. Then you can click on save and continue to the billing. Now your ad is all done. You have to provide the billing information, means credit card, debit card, PAN card, business address. You will provide all these informations and then your ad will be up and running. So it's the first step how you can set up your ad. Once your ad is set up, then you have to, this is the information. Once you are ready for the advertisement, then only you will provide this all these informations. So got the idea how you can run the ad, how you can set up your ad? So got the idea how you can set up your ad? Rajwal, are you there? And while setting up the keyword, I have to set the phrase and broad match ad. Exactly. There you will set up the phrase and exact match. And even in the latter, you can change this. You can go to the campaign and then you can set up the, you can do the changes in the keywords, or in, you can do all the changes. You can do changes in the campaign setting. You can do changes in the ad group settings. You can do changes in ad copies, in keywords, in targeting options. So you can do any kind of changes. So if you want to do changes in the keywords, you will go to the keywords and here you will select the keywords and you will click on I understand, and then you can change it broad match, exact match and phrase match. So if you want to go for the uh, exact match, you can click here and save. So this will become your phrase. This will become your exact match. If you want to make it in the phrase match, click here, change it, phrase match, save it. So that way you can target differently. Even you can add if you want to add new keyword, you can click here and add new keyword. If you want to add new keyword, you can add new keyword here. So let's suppose you want to add one keyword related to Pune interior. So let's suppose you have added few keyword, then you can copy this keyword and paste this keyword here. So you can, in that way you can add more keyword. You will have to select the, yes, you can add the negative keyword as well. Here you can add the negative keyword. First you will select the ad group, in which ad group you are going to add this. Okay, we have selected the ad group. Here you can add the negative keyword. In the place we have just cancel it, and then we will be able to add negative keyword here. It's a keyword and here is the negative keyword. So here you will click on plus and add the negative keyword. So negative keyword like let's suppose someone is looking for free services and you are not providing free. So you can add free keyword in the negative. So you will select the campaign and you can select the ad groups, and then you will decide, okay, I want to add free as the negative keyword. So free get added as the negative keyword in this ad group and in this campaign. So that way you can add as many negative keyword as you want. If someone is looking for a job, you don't want to show your ad for the interior design job, so you can select the ad group, then you will select the ad group. So you can select and click here. That way you can add as many negative keywords as you want. If you want to do the changes in ads, you can go here and edit it. Understand, you can do changes in the ad copies. If you want to do changes in your settings, so here you can go to the campaign name, and then you can change the settings. So all the settings means what are the name of the campaign or type of the campaign or makeup of the campaign or device or locations. If you want to change the locations, let's suppose I want to remove this Pune. I am just running only for the Maharashtra. So what I can do, I can remove these things and I will save it. So now this campaign is only for the Mumbai. So you can say this bidding strategy and bidding budget and every single thing you can change and save it. So that way you can add ad extensions. So right now we have added one ad extensions. You can click on, okay, what all extensions we have added. So you can see the call extension is already there. If you want to add other extension, you can click here and then you will select the campaign, in which campaign you want to add extensions. So rather than call, this time we are going to add site link extensions. So you will select the site link, you will click on new extensions, and then you will add the new site link extensions. So to add the site link extension, you can click on new site link. So here you will the link text. So this is your website. This was your website, Hopa. It was what? Hopa. The site was hatpo.com. So you can find the internal pages of the website and that you can use as the site link. So let's suppose we are sending our which one, interior page as the site link. So you can just copy the URL of this page. So you can click on interior. It's not clicking while. Any pages, let's suppose you want to add the contact us page or service page as an internal link. So let's suppose you want to add contact us as your site link. So you will copy the link, come back to the campaign. Here you will provide the final URL. Make sure that HTTP should not be get fluctuated. Make sure that whether your website is HTTP or HTTPS. Here you will write the link. So you may write contact Hackpo. It's a double P O na. It's a double P H O Hackpo. And then you will write the descriptions. If you want to show the different URL for the mobile, you can show the different URL. Here if you want to write the descriptions, you can write the descriptions. Okay, contact us, call us, contact us for. You may write contact us or contact us for free consultation. You can do the start date, end date, and URL for the mobile and site link for options, and then you will save it. Tool and description. So contact us for free consultation. We are the best interior designer or something. Then you can click on save. So that way you can add more ad extensions. So we have added the ad that you can add. You can this detail will appear on your website. So something like that. So see, this is the site link. They have given the site link. These are the site links. They have given the site link, but they haven't given the details. This is the location extension. This is the your call extension. So that way you can add as many extensions as you want. So you will go to the all campaign, add extensions, view extensions, select the extension, and then you will click on add. So that way you can add the extensions. So also you can set up. So are you getting all these things? You can manage this thing yourself. Very good, very good. So now we are going to set up the conversions. If you want that how many people have visited on your website, so from Adword, so what you will do, you can set up the conversion. So you will go to the tools and then you will click on conversions, and there you will set up conversions that how many people is taking the action. So that's why that way you are going to calculate your ROI, return on ad spend. So this much amount you have investment and this much lead you have generated, and from out of that lead this much of get matured and this much amount you have return on ad spend. So here you can go to the tools, click on the conversion and click on this add like plus. Which type of conversion you want to set up? Let's suppose we want to set up the website conversions. Select website conversion, give the name of the conversions. So let's suppose you are setting up the conversion for contact us. How many people are clicking on the contact us? So here you will click on, you may name it contact us, and then you will click done. If you want to provide any value, you can provide the value to that conversions. Right now we are not providing any value. Then you can count the conversions, that one people have done one conversion and one people have done 3 form fill-ups. Do you want to count it as a 1 or do you want to count it as a 3? That you can decide. Let's suppose you want to count it as 1, then you can click 1, and how long your conversion window is open. So today they have clicked the website, today they have visited the website, and after 20 days or after 10 days, they come back to our website and get converted. So how long you want to wait for their return, for the conversions? So that way you can set up the conversion window for click-through conversions. They have clicked your ad and done the conversion. View-through conversions, they have seen your advertisement but they haven't clicked and they have converted after view. So that is the view-through conversions. So there you will set up the window of 30 days. You can set up lesser and higher days as well, and then you will decide the type of the conversions, whether it is purchase, sale, or it is sign up, or it is lead, or it is view of the key pages. Let's suppose this is lead for you. So then you will click done, and then do you want to include the conversion in the tracking dashboard? So yes, I want to see the conversion analytics in the tracking dashboard. Here you will decide the attribution model, means to whom you want to give the credit for these conversions. If your visitor has visited your page, first time they have visited, they haven't done conversion. Second time they have visited, they haven't done conversion. Last time they have visited, they have done the conversion. So to whom you want to give the credit? So if whoever is giving you the last conversions, you can give all the credit to the last clicks. You can give all the credit to the first clicks. You can give all the credits to. You can give equal credit to all the users and user interactions, and you can give credit to in the time decay basis. Means the last interaction will get the highest credit, and the first interaction will get the lowest credit. And you can also do the position based, means after doing the advert you realize that people are visiting and they are looking for some discount, and you have given some discount and they get converted. So that way you can go for the position based. So by default it's a last click. Then you will select your attribution model, and then you will click on save and continue. So you will click on save and continue. That way Google has given you the code. You have to place this code. You have to place this code on your website. You can save the instruction and tag, or you can email this instruction and tag to your developer. They will place this code on your website. So this is your conversion code. So where will you place this code? On one page, or where will you place this conversion code? Rajul, whether you will place this code on every page, or whether you will place this code only on the thank you page. Where will you place this code? Only on the thank you page. Very good. You will paste the code only on the thank you page. Very nice. So this is the conversion tracking. Okay. Now I would like that you should set up one campaign. Would you like to set up one campaign yourself, and then I will guide you? Yes. So I am giving you the presenter right. Let me see if I can make you the presenter, and you can share your screen. Mm, mm, mm. So will you set up a campaign yourself, and then you will ask if you have any questions? Let's have 10 minutes time and set up one campaign. Here, if you want to set up the campaign, you will go to the campaign, click on add campaign, select the type of the campaign, and then continue the campaign. And in the home section, you are going to see the summary of the entire advert. Summary means total number of interactions, impressions, and ad cost, total conversions, the keyword you are working on, the campaign which is working, all the summary will see in the home. So if you want to set up the campaign, go to the campaign, select the plus and decide the type of the campaign. So let's go and set up one campaign. Whatever campaign type you want to select, just go and set up. And let me know which type of campaign you are setting up. So are you setting up the campaign or should I show you one more campaign setup? Gradual, you are checking. Okay, fine. Just try one type of campaign and let me know if you are facing any issue. Right now I'm going to sign out from your Gmail account. You can sign in from your end. I'm going to sign out from your Gmail account and you can sign in from your end and you can set up one campaign. I have signed out. So you want to, I will set up and show you there is a problem with my car. Okay, fine, no worries. No worries. I'm going to just revise the entire session in the PPTs. Till now, do you have any question? If right till now, if you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, you can drop me questions later as well. Okay, very nice. You don't have any questions. So we are going to see the performance of the campaign. Here, let me sign in again. So I have signed in according with my Gmail ID. You can change your password and you can use your Gmail ID at your end. I'm going to revise this with this tab like add extensions. We have discussed about the add extension, working with the site link extension. We have created the site link extension. We have created the call extensions. We haven't created the location extensions, but you will create your location extensions. Adword Express. When you have explored the full-fledged Adword, it's very easy to set up the Adword Express. So you can easily set up the Adword Express and display planner. Once you will set up the campaign type. When you will set up the campaign type display, so they will give you the display planner options. So let's have more information related to the display planner, and then you can create the images. When you are setting up display campaign, in that display campaign you can create the image ad. So you can add the conversion tracking. We have just done the conversion tracking. You can add the remarketing code. To add the remarketing code, you can log in with your Adword account. You can log in with your Adword account. I'm just going to revise it one more time. Let me know if you have any problem. So it's the ad extension your ad is displaying, and along with the ad, many other ads are many other information. This is number is appearing, or location is appearing, or internal pages of your website is appearing. So this is ad extensions. So we have already set up this ad extension. And then site link extensions. So when you are setting up internal pages of your website and you are describing the information related to internal pages, when you are providing lot of informations, there are chances that you will get more clicks, and when you get more clicks, everyone is happy. Google is happy, advertiser is happy, and user is happy. So site link is always give you better clicks. So try to provide as many informations using the site link so that you may increase the number of clicks. So there are different type of site links. It's a standout, like your ad will stand out from the competitions. Your ad will be bigger one. You are providing more information, then there are chances that you will get more clicks. So you can advertise about the multiple of product and offers and services and reviews. So site link is very useful. You will get more clicks. More clicks means more CTR. More CTR means higher quality score. Higher quality score means lesser cost per click. So site link is very important. Then you can add site link extensions. Site link extension, you can go, we have already set up this add extensions, and there you can go to the type of extensions, and there you can click on site extensions, and there you can click on the number of extensions. So these are the different type of add extensions you can use. So site link extension, adding of the site link extension we have already discussed just now. And call extensions, in the same way you can go to the add extensions, and you can add call extensions. We have already set up the call extension in the practical session. So you will select the country and provide the numbers. So location extension you will be able to add only and only if your location is present on Google My Business. So you have to link your Google My Business account, then only you will be able to add location extension. So location extensions and Google My Business, you must be present on Google My Business. Once you are present on once you are present on Google My Business, then you will be able to add your location. Once you are present in Google My Business, you can add your location in your Adword. You can add your location as the extension, location extension. So make sure to create your presence on Google My Business. Google My Business, you will go to the Google My Business and list your business. Google will send you one verification postcard. You will verify the postcard, then only your ad is eligible to display in Google My Business. Once your location is present in Google My Business, you can add that location in the advertisement, Google advertisement. So this is Google My Business interface. So once you will set up the Google My Business, Adword Express, as I earlier said, given you the clue, the Adword Express is the platform for the non-technical person who want to promote their local business while managing very few steps of the Adword. Right now you have set up the Adword and you have managed lot many steps, more than 20 steps to create the ad. But in Adword Express, you might be in 4 or 5 steps, your ad is up and running. So it's very useful when you want to set up your ad very fast. It's very useful when you are promoting local businesses. It's very useful when you don't want to use all the options. It's very useful when you are technically challenged. You don't want to go into the technicalities. So you can use Adword Express. Adword Express for the advertisers in your locality or highly targeted advertisers with local audience, and that instant business or schedule advertising in your office hours. So Adword Express, here this is a special Adword Express. You can just write the title, ad copies, and affordable rates and mobile number. Your ad is ready. Once your ad is ready, you can run your advertisement. So Google Display Network, where your ad is displaying on other websites. So this is the example of Google Display Network. Let's see, this is your Google Display Network. So here you can manage the Google Display Network. So Google Display Network, let me show you another account where you can see very clear Google Display Network, the Display Network dashboard. You understand? Google Display Network means where your ad is going to display on other website. This digitalmarketingc.com is the part of Google Display Network. So it's Google Display Network. You can choose that where you want to show your ad. You can choose that, if you can choose according to the keywords. Okay, I want to show my ad only when this keyword is present on that website. I want to show my ad to the website where this keyword is present. I want to show my ad to this following list of the website. Then the placement. When I want to show my ad only to the website which is related to this topic, then you can target topic. I want to show my adword when someone is when whoever has visited my website, I want to show my ad to them only. Then it's a remarketing. When you want to show your ad only for the particular interest, the person who has interest in interior designing, the person who has interest in might be reading, you can select according to the interest and remarketing. You can target, you want to show your audience only according to the age group and that parental status and other demography, male and female, that is gender, age group and parental status. Then you can target according to the demography wise. So this is the display network planner where you can decide that how you want to select the website where you want to show your ad. So this is a display network targeting options, and when you are setting up your ad, you can select the display network. You can click on ad, and then you can click on responsive ad, and then you can click this, create the display or image ad. Then you will provide the images and headline 2. So here you have to provide the images. So here you can upload the images from your website, or you can upload the image from your local computer. You can upload the stock images, or you can use the images which is recently used. So that way you can design your display ad. So display ad images, then you will write short headline, then you will write long headline, then you will write descriptions, then you will write business name, and then you will write your destination URL, and then you will click on save. Then your ad will be up and running. So your ad you should be happy with this ad preview. Your ad will appear as a ad choice. So this is an example of display network. So here display network, you can see this display network example. So this is the display network example, that how much, what is the CTR, impressions, conversions, cost per conversions, or conversion rate, or cost, or number of clicks, or that keyword targeting, or placement targeting, or topic targeting, or interest and remarketing targeting. So you can see all these kind of stats, demography breakdown, or parental status. So how your ad is performing on the different display network, you can see according to the display keyword, placement, topic, interest and remarketing, and demography. So this is the introduction of display network, means cookies, impressions and demography, keywords, best recommendations, landing page best recommendations, and your entire audience, how much you are targeting, and ad group, ad group wide divisions, and the selected link where you want to show your ad, or these are the different tabs, these are the different filters you can apply. This you will explore while you are setting up your display ad. So this is your display ad. Create campaign with display ad. You can go to the campaign here. Will you do that yourself? Display ad. You will run your display ad yourself. So you can go to the campaign. You can go to the campaign and you can create your display campaign. So go to the campaign and click on this campaign name, and then you can click on display network only, and then they will give you that what campaign, with what objective you want to set up this display campaign. You will select with what objective you want to display this campaign. So whether do you want to set up this campaign with marketing objective or no marketing objective. You are setting up the marketing objective, then it's whether it is awareness, considerations or actions. So you can decide the objective, and accordingly all the options will be available to you. So then you can decide the locations and language and bidding and ad extensions and additional setting, and you can save and continue. So this way, will you be able to set up the display campaign yourself? Will you try to set up your display campaign yourself? Yes, definitely. Nice. Thank you so much. So you can set up the display campaign. You can bid around that. We have already explained. You can bid around CPC. This is cost per click. Creating campaign with cost per click. So here you have an option to select the bidding strategy. Here you have an option to select the bidding strategy. So here you have all the option for target CPA, means cost per acquisitions, target return on ad spend, maximize clicks, or variable CPM or manual CPC. This is CPM is cost per 1,000 impressions. Cost per 1,000 impressions. So you are bidding around cost per 1,000 impressions because it's a display ad. In display ad, your ad will get displayed. So you can target around cost per 1,000 impression or cost per mile. CPM is also termed as cost per mile. So CPC is cost per click. You are paying for the clicks. CPA is you are paying for per 1,000 impressions, cost per 1,000 impressions. You are paying for action or you are paying for acquisitions. This is cost per acquisitions. And then creating campaign with display select. So you can select when you will do all these settings. Let's suppose right now I'm going for the CPM and my budget is, let's suppose, 110 rupees per day, and then you will click on save and continue. So let's suppose briefly I'm going to set up this display campaign. I have set up this campaign for, let's suppose, RO service, and I have selected this one. I have selected call your business option rather than buy on your website. So call your business, and then you will select the locations. Let's suppose I'm showing my ad only to the Noida. I can select the Noida options. Language, I can edit that language, English and Hindi both. And we are setting up the display campaign. And bidding strategy, we are going for manual CPC, and there you can decide the enhanced CPC and add extensions. Let's suppose I'm adding the call extensions. My call extension, you can add the number of the call extensions. So whatever number we have added, this number I want to add as the call extensions, and then you will click on save and continue. Once we will click on this, correct the error below. This campaign is already existing. So RO service display campaign. So let's make it RO service display campaign, because this name is already existing. So they are not giving you option to create the new campaign with the same name. So I have changed the name. Now I am able to create the ad group. So here this ad group is about RO service, RO repair service or simple RO service, or enhanced CPC bidding is 1 rupees on landing page. I'm using landing page of the RO wala. Let's suppose my landing page is rowala.in. So before using the landing page, I will open the landing page, www.rowala.in, and make sure that everything is right on the landing page. Then only I will place the landing page. Then you will select how you want to target: display, keyword, interest, remarketing, or user the different targeting options. I want to go for the interest remarketing or different targeting options. Let's suppose I'm selecting the targeting option according to the demography. I would like to target male, female, unknown. Want to target this and parent. I want to target parents or not a parents. I don't want to target which who are not parent, and then you can target according to the conversion, and this is your audience, this number of people you can reach, and then you can click on save and continue. So that way briefly you can set up your display campaign. Now they will ask you to create your ad copies. So either you can create your ad copies here, like by image ad or responsive ad. You will upload the images. So let's suppose rather than scanning the website, they are giving you option to use the image. So let's suppose use the images of your website. I am using this particular image. Click on save. So we are going to use, okay, so this will not appear well. Anyways, let's go for that. Okay, and then you can set up the logo, and then you can click on save. Here you can see the ad. Here you can write the ad copies. Right now I am just creating the ad copies for RO service. Let's suppose best RO repair service. You can click here. RO service and repair Noida. I am writing here as RO service repair. You can see that Yahoo is giving you so irrelevant result. So we are going back to the Google, and then I am going to again search the RO service and repair. So RO service and repair. So I am just want to say technician in 90 minutes, warranty on service, expert technician service, RO repair, RO installations, and RO AMC. So we are using all these informations here. So technician in 90 minutes, warranty on service, expert technician, RO service, get technician in 90 minutes, warranty on service, call now for RO repair and service. So you can write something like that, and all brand water purifier service. Let's suppose you are providing all brand water purifier, all brand RO water purifier repair and service, right? So you will write longer descriptions. Let's suppose you are writing more more thing, something. So call this number to book your service. You may say them, okay, call this number, uh, repair service, call at your number is 9990650, this number, and then book RO service. So that way you can write your entire ad copies, and here you will write business name. So if your business name is RO Wala, so here you can write the business name, and then you can click on create next ad, or you can be say done. So your ad is done. That way you can create as many ad, and then you can click on save ad. So your ad is done. You can go back to the campaign. That way you can set up your display campaign. So your display campaign is set up. Here you can plan for the display network where you want to show your ad. So you can select website according to the keywords, select website list, select website according to the topics, select website according to the interest on remarketing, select website according to the demography of their user. So that way you can set up the remarketing, you can set up the display campaign. So you can set up the display campaign. This is the display campaign creation. So conversion tracking we have discussed. You can go to the conversion tracking window, select the type of conversion, then they will give you code, and that code you will place on your website. We have selected the website conversion. They give you a small code. You have to place that code on your website. So these are the different type of conversion tracking. You can go for the website, apps, and mobile phone. And remarketing is that we will discuss. Remarketing we will discuss in the next session. Might we? Do you want to discuss remarketing today? Because remarketing is very interesting. I would like to discuss. Remarketing in next day. So yes, next sessions. Okay, fine, fine. So are you open to take session in weekdays, for one session in the coming weekdays? No, no worries. Okay, next session will happen on next Saturday. No worry about that. So till now, any question? Do you have any questions till now? Please send me the details about the video. Sure, I will send in your email ID. Sure, I will share. Fine, sure, I will share all the details in your email ID. Right? So today we can wind up the session for the day. Okay, nice, fair enough. Bye, good night. And if you have any question, you can just ask me and drop me a mail. or even you can share your question on the WhatsApp. I have shared my number with you. You can share that question on the WhatsApp as well. Okay. Bye. Good night. I'm going to wind up the session today. Right? बहुत चलो